So we were having a hard time with these lock rings and just didn't have the right tool. So I ordered these lock ring pliers and they're pretty awesome. Now that I got the right tool, these lock rings, not to be confused with snap rings. So lock ring, right? And let's see, oh, where is it? I got it. Oh, here we go. That's a snap ring with the 2 holes in it. So a little bit different, maybe splitting hairs, but big difference for disassembly. Now the gears can come off, and one-handed is the hardest part. There we go. Now, transfer to the new short shaft. Oh yeah. Caution, this machine has no brain. Use your own.